Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file a delayed income tax return. First, understand that filing late is better than not filing at all to avoid severe penalties. Begin by assessing the reasons your return was not filed on time. This helps determine the best course of action. Next, identify whether you are due a refund or if you owe taxes, as this impacts the urgency and potential penalties involved. Now, let's gather your essential tax documents. Start by collecting all income statements, including your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income sources. Next, locate records for any deductions and credits you are eligible to claim, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Finally, organize bank statements, investment records, and any other financial documents that support your tax filing. With your documents in hand, it's time to calculate and submit your return. You can use reliable tax software or consult a qualified tax professional to ensure accuracy. Carefully calculate any taxes you owe or the refund amount due to you, double-checking all figures. Once prepared, submit your completed tax return either electronically for faster processing or by postal mail, keeping a copy for your records. Finally, let's address penalties and future filing. It's crucial to understand the penalties for both late filing and late payment, which can accrue quickly. If you owe a significant amount, explore available payment plans with the IRS to manage your debt. Remember, filing on time in the future prevents these issues. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.